Welcome to Fixing Cars with 15th Street Automotive. Today's vehicle is a 2014 Chevy Cruze with a 1.8 liter Ecotec. Customer's concern is a check engine light. There are no runnability issues. So we're going to start by hooking up our scanner. Plug the connector into the ALDL and we're going to pull up codes. Looks like we have a P0442 small Evap leak. Let's pop the hood and take a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the purge control solenoid bidirectional, and I'm going to command it and listen for the clicks. I can hear it operating so that you know electrically the purge solenoid's working. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Evap canister solenoid. Make sure that thing's working. I'm going to turn it on and off, on and off, on and off, and I'm going to listen for it to audibly click. I can hear that clicking, so I'm going to assume that it's working electrically. I don't know if it's working, if it's leaking or anything, but I know it's working electrically. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close the vent solenoid in the back, and I'm going to add metered air to the system. There's my connection to the system. This is my Evap test flow bench. It will put metered air into the system, and if the system is leaking, it will continue to flow. If the system is sealed, it will stop flowing. And as you can see, the little meter there's a ball flowing. As that ball drops, that means the flow is slowing down and stopping, which indicates that there is no leak in the system. So the small leak code is not caused by a leak. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the purge solenoid electrically and take the line off of the purge solenoid that goes to the system. I'm going to add a vacuum gauge to the port, and this is going to test the purge solenoid for leaking. And as you can see, I have constant vacuum coming out of that all the time, which tells me that purge solenoid is leaking. So the fix for this one is going to be a new purge solenoid. Replace the purge solenoid and the car worked great. Retested the system, and it seals when it's supposed to, and it purges when it's supposed to. So call this one a fix. See you down the road.